Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Engineer AMMAR. I am basically from Pakistan. I have done my Bachelor's of Science in Civil Engineering in 2015 and I have experience of about 7 years. Now I am working in a construction company named as IAL Associates. I have hands-on experience of building and infrastructure works, which includes the construction of residential building, construction of commercial building, and the construction of roads with sewage and the water supply system. Today I will introduce you with my project on which I am working on. Here is the construction of overhead water tank going on. You can see that this is a water tank of 1 lakh gallon capacity. The gallons are US gallons and the height of this tank is about 93 feet from the NSL. Its superstructure is of 93 feet height and its substructure or the foundation is 17 feet high. Now I will show you the other features of the building from the inner side and the outer side by taking the pictures. As you can see that there are many people working, labor and the staff working on the site, and all the staff are properly equipped with safety equipments like safety helmets, safety gloves, safety shoes and the other things. We strictly follow the HSE rules that tells us that the safety is the first priority of the company. One of my responsibilities at this site are overseeing the construction activities. Either the construction activities are happening according to the drawings or not. The area where I am standing right now, this is the ground floor of the overhead water tank. This area is made for the utilization of the offices for the staff. The construction activities of this area are in process and the finishing work of this area is started. The tile work, you can see that the tile work of this area is completed and now the paint work of this area is in progress. You can see all the area that the paint work is in progress and the ceiling work is also in process. Here is the unloading of the steel is in progress. You can see that a crane is working and moving the steel from a column to the steel yard. There are many types of steel available at this site, like it starts from 9 mm to onward 25 mm. The use of the steel is different for the different activities. As you can see that this is the foundation of the hostel building. In this foundation, the steel of 25 mm is used for the foundation working, and we can say that in front of these there is a retaining wall, and in this retaining wall there is a use of steel that is 16 mm and 12 mm. And here you can see that they are unloading the steel to the steel yard with a crane. This is the extension of the footings of the hostel building. This is actually the hostel and the college, both buildings are going parallel. This is you can see that this is the layout of building, and there are different layouts that are showing the layout by manual as well as by the help of total station and the auto level. These are the foundations of the hostel building. Some foundations are completed and the remaining are now they start after completing their layout of the foundation. This is the total station that we use on site for leveling purpose, for horizontal and vertical angles measuring, for horizontal and vertical heights or the lengths of the objects. We can use this total station. We also take the coordinates by using this total station. This total station has the different parts. As this is the tripod on which the total station, we set this total station. This is the leveling head. This is the head on which the total station stands, and these are the leveling screws which we use to level the total station. This is the display that we use for the working of the total station, on which different types of a pad is made. A pad is available on which we enter the different types of readings and we take the lengths, angles and the other things. Here we have a telescope which is used, which have the two parts basically. One is the eyepiece and the other is the object glass. We use eyepiece for seeing the objects from this portion, and the object glass shows that where is the object placed, and we can see the object from this object glass. This is all the assembly that we use for leveling, finding the angles between the two lines, and used to find out the heights, coordinates of different places. Thank you. As I visited you all my projects, now I tell you about my responsibilities and the job descriptions. One of my responsibilities at this site are overseeing the construction activities to assure that they are according to the design and specifications. Apart from assigning the task to the site engineer, I also assure the quality of undergoing works. I also make plans on weekly and the monthly basis for site activities. I would like to mention here that I also coordinate with the client and the consultant to interpret their needs and requirements. At the end of the day, I made progress report of all my activities for project manager. It was just a short visit of my projects. I hope that I successfully presented my sites and responsibilities. I also expect you enjoyed the visit. Thank you.